And welcome into Bon Appetit. Spring and summer is upon us. What a wonderful time to grill out. One of the big things that people grill out is hamburgers. Hot dogs and hamburgers, but hamburgers, you got to take that meat and put it together. Here's a hint. Let's use olive oil as one of the key ingredients to really make it have taste and moisture. Ed Gannon's here from Vintage Olive.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
You're in the Pepper Tree Shopping Center.
That's right.
Tuesday through Saturday, 9 till 6.
Exactly.
I got it.
Yeah, you nailed that one.
I nailed that one. You got it down where it needs to be. And of course, you've got a tremendous variety of fresh olive oil.
Mm-hmm. So we buy it from the producer and we bottle it in the store, but we have approximately 25. And then we have about that many balsamic vinegars from Italy, but 12-year aged balsamics from Italy. And then some specialty oils like sesame seed, that kind of thing.
Mm-hmm. And of course, you can even do gifts for people.
Oh, these are some of the favorite 6-pack samplers. This is actually a bread dipping kit. Comes with a seasoning, a little dish, and things. Yep, we all kind of wedding favors. We're doing a lot of wedding favors this time of year. Just 2 little bottles and a little bow that people place in.
That's neat.
Yep, it's a good little gift.
It's great. Well, today we're going to be, as we mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the hamburger. So how are we going to make it really have that great taste?
Well, and this is especially helpful with venison because venison seems to be real lean.
Yes.
And some people load it up with pork fat, which then it kind of takes away from the healthy part of eating venison. Yeah. But we put it in a bowl and spread it out. And if it's going to make 4 hamburgers, then we'll put 4 tablespoons of oil. And 4 is 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Basically, the easy way to say it is 1 tablespoon per hamburger. So
basically, you're going to put about a pound of it in there. So each burger is about 1/4 pound. So
you'd put 4 tablespoons, a half to a full tablespoon.
Okay.
And then we also will put seasonings in there. Like we got a whole wall of hand blended seasonings. We'll put about a teaspoon per hamburger of either cracked pepper rub or the mustard seasoning or whatever your favorite seasoning is, and then just mix all that up and make patties with it. And we call them the VO burgers. And it's life-changing.
It should, again, it's going to be something that's actually good for you.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Good for you. And you can spice it up with spicy olive oils or spicy seasonings, or you can just do plain, lower key olive oils, but you can really add a lot of good flavor to them.
So what we're just talking about here, can our viewers actually go online and get this recipe?
Yes, sir. They can go online, or we keep little cards in the store.
Okay, so we got cards in the store too. And like you say, it can either be with regular ground beef or with venison.
Yes, sir.
It's good.
And people do salmon burgers. You can do the same thing with salmon burgers. We have a coffee barbecue rub salmon recipe that we use that you really usually grill. But if you want to make salmon burgers, you can put that coffee barbecue rub in that salmon when you make a patty, and you get the grilled coffee barbecue rub salmon flavor in a burger.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's really healthy.
It's a good way to do it. Absolutely. And again, most of the olive oils that you have, you can go into the store and actually taste them.
We have little cups. We actually use little communion cups.
Yep.
But everything's on tap. And not only can you taste all the vinegars and all the oils, if you want to taste a salad dressing, like if you want to, I'm having this, and this, we can pair you up with a salad dressing. We can shake it up in the little cups, and you can taste exactly what your salad dressing will taste like, so you know exactly what you're getting.
Yeah, so when you're buying it and you take it home, when you make the dressing, you're going to know exactly what the taste is.
Yep, and you can taste it in the store. You don't know that it's going to pair up with the meats and different vegetables you have.
And we need to let our viewers know, we're saying bon appetit, but this could be to your health. Because olive oil is one of the most healthful, do you call it a liquid? A liquid that you can put in your body.
Exactly. And I think about 72% of the grocery store olive oils that say extra virgin aren't, because
no regulation.
The FDA doesn't regulate it. But all ours, we buy from the producer. And we have real high polyphenols for people that want to take a tablespoon on an empty stomach. But all of our olive oils are super high quality.
And they're good for you.
And they got tons of benefits. And the vinegars have just as many benefits as the olive oils.
I know.
And the vinegars especially being only, 30 or so calories, 30 to 40 calories per tablespoon, and a tablespoon's a lot.
Yes.
Because it's got so much flavor. You can make that flavor go a long ways for just a little bit of.
Put in for all you need. Ed, thank you. It's the Vintage Olive Pepper Tree Shopping Center, which is right along Vaughan Road, and that shopping center there. They're almost to the end. So don't give up if you're looking for them.
Right.
You're next door at Pepper Tree Wine and Steaks.
Exactly, right
Absolutely.
next door.
They're down at that end. And they're open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 in the morning till 6 in the afternoon. Do something healthy. Give them a visit. We'll be right back right after this.